Hello everybody, my name is Francis Ian Reyes Talusig. I'm talking about the famous delicacy in Nueva Ecija. Number 1 is tilapia ice cream. Number 2 is pinapaitang kambing with alibangbang leaves. Number 3 is local kakanin. Number 4 is batotay and kabanatuan longganisa. Number 5, bangus spaghetti. Number 6, buko lumpia. Number 1 is tilapia ice cream. One of Dairy's novelty ice cream is one of the products of Nueva Ecija, Central Luzon State University. It's a response to the challenge to make use of tilapia. Ingredients include all-purpose cream, condensed milk from Carabao, chopped walnuts, and diced cheese, as well as steamed tilapia. Number 2 is pinapaitang kambing with alibangbang leaves. Its native delicacy composed mainly of goat innards of internal organs such as liver, intestines, heart, and other. Alibangbang leaves souring agent similar to tamarind leaves. The result is not sour like a traditional Ilocano popular papaitan, but tastes like sinampalukan. Number 3 is local kakanin. Since it's rice granary of Philippines, you can expect that kakanin is one of their native delicacy. From rice and root vegetable, it's one of the popular in the province of Nueva Ecija like palitaw and nilupak. Palitaw is small sweet rice cake made from rice flour and water. The treats are sprinkled with sugar, coconut, and sesame seeds. Nilupak is another delicacy made from either mashed cassava, sweet potato, or cardabang bananas, wrapped in banana leaves and served with margarine. Number 4 is batotay and kabanatuan longganisa. It is a sweet side beef-based longganisa coated with a distinctive sweet sauce. You can easily find it in wet market in Nueva Ecija. Bangus spaghetti. It's a spaghetti used bangus flakes with creamy tomato sauce. You can find this delicacy in Chanos in Bayuga Street, Muñoz, Nueva Ecija. Number 6 is buko lumpia. It's like regular lumpia filled with coconut strips, veggies, ham, and cheese. You can find it in Cafe Latia in Maharlika, Hiway, Cabanatuan City.